Hi, now I'm going to show you how to split first name, middle name and last name in Excel. Okay, let's do it in Excel. Okay, you see here uh, I have a name here, Alan, Sam, Josh. Alan is the first name, Sam is the middle name, Josh is the last name. Okay, how to split these names? Okay, each name is separated by a space. So now I'm going to split this one Alan, Sam, Josh into Alan, Sam and Josh in separate cells. First, for that I need to find out where is the space first. Okay, first find the first space. Find what? A space within what? The text A1, starting from the first character, so I don't put the first start num. Okay, only two arguments. So sixth is the first time where the space appears. Okay, now it is the second space. I want to find out where the second space appears. Find what? Find text is space, within text is A1, the full name, and starting point is, it has to be from the first onwards. 6 there is the first space appears, so after 6 only we need to find out is there any space after 6. So B1, which is the first space place, plus 1. Okay, 10 is the second space, 10th character is the second space. Okay, now I'm going to get the first name. For that, what I'm going to do is left. Okay, left the text, this text, full name. How many characters? 6th is the space, first space appears, so I put B1, which is 6 minus 1. I split. Okay, I got the first name Alan. Okay, next, what is the second one, which is the middle name? This is a bit tricky here. I put the middle of full name, starting from the 6th is the first space, so 6 plus 1 is 7 is the starting point for this name, middle name, so which is B1 plus 1. Okay, how many characters? That is 10 is the 10th place is the second space, so 10 minus 6, which gives from S to 10, so which is 4, so it has to be 9 minus 6. 10th is the space here, so we want SAN, so which is 9. 9th character is the last character for the middle name, so 9 minus 6. So how to do that one? Which is C1 minus 6 minus 1. Sam. Okay, then what we are going to do is the final name, which is the last name, so mid of full name. Where do you want to start? I want to start 10 is the space here, so C1 plus 1, 11th character onwards. What is the length, number of characters? So we need to do the calculation here of full length of the string minus the space, all this. So for what we can do is simply we can put length of the string, because after that whatever length you put it, so maximum the length will go the number of characters in the full name. So just put length of a1, enter. So this is the way you can split first name, middle name and last name. Okay, now I put Juliana Victoria yeah, Victoria Rocket. Let's see whether this formula works for the other central case. Where is the first space? In 6. Actually this one also. Where is the second space? In 15th place. What is the first name? Julia. Very good. Is the second name Victoria? What is the last name? Robert. Okay, this is the way you can split first name, middle name and last name. Okay, thank you.